Hello, in front of me I've got Alcatel One S 2021. Today I'll show you how to check number of apps opened each day. Firstly, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Then show your data and tap on Unlocks. As you can see, here are all apps I opened today. For example, today I opened Settings 79 times. You can also check for different days. Yesterday, I opened Settings only 10 times. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.